Lavanya. How are you?
Good morning, Leigh Ann. I'm fine. How are you?
Good, thank you. You ready to get started?
Yes, absolutely.
After you.
Come on in.
Thank you.
So here's the breakout schedule. I'll go ahead, do the checklist, and you can do the counts.
Sounds good. I'll go grab an RDT.
All right.
All right, Lavanya, counts are complete, so I'm going to go cover the host desk. Hi, my name is Leigh Ann.
My name is Andrew.
My name's Chris.
My name is Joanne.
I'm Ari.
Hi everyone, my name is Terry.
My name's Dean.
Hey, I'm Sarah and I work at IKEA in Southlake.
Hi, I'm Candice. I am the Plan and Order Point Manager for our new studio. I was previously a shopkeeper with IKEA for home organ lighting.
Started off as a self-serve co-worker.
Seasonal cashier.
Then went to loyalty and goods flow.
Then I held a permanent position in cookshop and lighting.
Merchandising basics.
Moved to a driver and goods flow.
Then went to returns, then full serve handout.
A media specialist, and most recently a bedrooms and children's IKEA coworker.
And then back to sales.
And then I heard about Plan and Order Point and I wanted to be a part of it.
We do everything, so it's not like, one person's just over there, one person's just over here.
We have different areas that we rotate through throughout the shift, so we end up doing something a little bit different.
I've learned so much since I've been at the Plan and Order Point, just the flexibility of learning different things.
I feel best prepared to take on new roles as I'm leading into the unknown and we're trying new things and growing and developing the business.
Customers who come into these Plan and Order Points really are looking for more one-on-one experience that they can't always get when they go into one of the larger stores, and we're able to offer that to our customers.
My advice to anyone looking to apply to a Plan and Order Point would be to have confidence, to take risk, and to seek opportunities for growth.
When you compare what we can do for the customer, it's no different than any other location.
I'd like to think of these locations as incubators for our leadership. It's a space where we can create a succession bench and solidify the next generation for IKEA.
You're going to be well diverse in everything, especially if you want to maybe branch out into something else. So I guess my advice is just be open to learning new things and just ready for the opportunity whenever it comes.
Come join our team! Look for job openings coming soon to your area.